Today, I'm going to show you how to import an image into Canva. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll be adding visuals to your designs like a pro. First, open Canva in your browser and log in. On your dashboard, choose either a new design or open an existing project. Either works perfectly. Once inside the editor, focus on the left-hand panel. You'll see a tab labeled Uploads. Click it, and you'll find options to add images from your computer or other devices. Click Upload Media to browse your files, or simply drag and drop an image from your desktop straight into Canva. The upload starts automatically. After your image appears in the Uploads panel, it's ready to use. Drag it onto your canvas and place it wherever you like. Resize, rotate, or adjust it to fit your design perfectly. You can also experiment with Canva's effects and filters to enhance your image and match the look and feel of your project. This method works for flyers, posters, social media posts, or any Canva project. Importing your own images gives your designs a personal, professional touch. And there you have it, a simple, creative way to bring your images into Canva. With a little practice, you'll be customizing all your designs effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.